Happy Tuesday, guys. I hope you had an amazing holiday, at least here in May. I'm gonna start the vlog today. I just came back from work. This is my outfit of the day, but I'm gonna insert the clip so you can see the entire outfit. I am tired, but I have few things to do. I have to clean the house, wash the dishes, and plan for the dinner for today. But welcome to my channel. My name is
Low
Giovanni. If you're
battery.
new, hi,
Please
welcome. I
charge.
hope you like, I hope you stay. If you're returning, thank you so much for the support. And I post twice a week, Tuesday and Sunday. I hope you like this kind of content. If you do, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. So let's start with the day. As I mentioned, it's Tuesday. Just got back from work. I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I have to do later on. Now I need to change this outfit because it's not home appropriate because I have to do cleaning. My husband just got me this iced coffee from Dunkin'. Is my favorite. I don't drink coffee a lot, but this one, yes, baby.
I want you.
You want mommy?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, I want you too, baby.
Low battery.
All
Please
right, baby.
charge.
Let's go. So yeah.
Mommy, I want you.
Oh boy. Come. Welcome again.
Go back.
Hey, I'm back. I just finished filming a video where I show all my jeans. And if you watch that video, please give me a thumbs up. I need to put this back. I'm not sure which pair I'm gonna keep and which one I'm gonna donate, but I think this one I'm gonna donate is from Levi's. But I've tried so many times thrifting or even buying new one pair of Levi's jeans, but they never ever fit right. It's a struggle. This one is also Levi's. Same thing. I don't like it. I'm missing or lacking my wardrobe a wide leg. And I've tried to thrift them, but it is so hard to find a good pair of wide leg in the thrift store. I think I'm just gonna have to buy a new one. Now I need to clean the kitchen because it's a mess. Yesterday was a holiday here in Maine, and I was just chilling on the couch. The house is a complete mess. Mind you, it is almost 7 p.m. I got back from work, as I mentioned, and I'm tired, but I cannot leave with the house like that. I need to do something quick. All right. So this is the stage of the living room. It's not that bad, but because I'm not seeing the hmm? What? What? We don't have a dishwasher in this house, so that'll be old school way, but we're gonna get it done. But my son did a mess with the milk. Yesterday I baked a corn flour cake with coconut and orange. Yes. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description box. It is so good. I love it. See the milk here. Gosh. I need to clean this and wash this. I have this wipes It saved my life all the time. I love it. I got it from $3. So I love it. It's my baby. Yes. What?
Let's catch.
Really? Are you flying?
I want you.
All right. Give me a second. Okay, mine is almost finished. Um,
My head. Mommy,
Okay.
mommy.
Ugh, ugh, ugh. All right. Stay there. Help! 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 I want you to. Wait, mommy's almost finished, okay?
Hey, come on, mommy, come on.
Okay. Wait. Hey, Demi. What are you doing, Demi? Careful, okay? Wait, wait, wait. Good morning, guys. Today I'm showing how I make my husband morning tea. It's ginger, lemon, garlic, and honey. He likes his tea very strong, so I use the whole lemon. As you can see, I'm just getting the ginger done, lemon, and add all together. Then after that, I'm gonna add hot water, cover for 2 minutes, then it's done.